it's subscription day. So I have my Sadie Stickers subscription for the month of March here, and I can't wait to open it with you guys. It's going to be so fun. I do get the decorative sticker subscription. So these are stickers more meant for like universal planners or for journaling, that type of thing. It does run about $35 to $40 a month, somewhere in that range. I will put I will put a link down in the description. No, I'm not affiliated with her in any way. I pay full price for all my stickers and everything. I just enjoy her as a company. Okay, that's everything. So in your subscription, you get some really pretty vellum. So if you're a card maker or a little more crafty, you always get a vellum sheet. I think there's usually two. Hold on. And it looks like this month we only got one. I think last month there might have been two, but I like this concept. And actually, I think that this might match, was it last month's Mady Lynn's Plan subscription? Let me grab it. Hold on. Because I have one out here. Oh, it's similar, but not the same. She might have a kit that matches this, though. So, anyhow, a lot of sticker companies will have like florals that'll match. So, super cute there. And then this here is the full subscription. I want to say it's 9 or 10 pages of stickers. So, I don't know if last month, because I'm pretty new to this subscription, I can't remember if there was a foil page last month, but oh, maybe it's February subscription. Sorry, it's March. I auto went to March, but it does say February 2025 mystery Sadie Stickers, and you have a foil sheet here. It's all gold foil, which is really pretty. I love the little flower truck here. This item here, I don't know what to call it. It looks like, you know, like an old census type document or something with some florals overlaid. You have a basket, all the gardening stuff, cute little bike here. You have like postal stuff in here as well, and florals galore. These look like daisies to me, which I adore daisies. So there is that one. And then it looks like there's 11 pages to this other part. And I do get it on, hold on. It doesn't want to come up. I do get it on her washi paper. And I think with the washi paper, that way if you're using like a planner that has thinner pages like a Hobonichi Cousin, it doesn't bulk it up as much. And it actually kind of almost melts into the paper, so it doesn't look like a sticker so much. So we have a page of just independent little floral pieces that you can use, which is super cute. Then this page, does she have? This is called bouquets. That one's flowers. Okay. And it does have that sprinkling of foil on there that's in the gold. The ones that I've had up till now have just been in silver, so it's nice to see a different foil color. And it's just some random little clusters of flowers. Page 3 is Elements, is what it's called. So it's kind of deco. So we have, oh, I love these buckets with the flowers. And look at this bike. So cute. And the little chalkboard here. We have gardening tools and like everything just really decked out with all of the cute florals. So cute. And then here, this one's called Edges. So you have like corners here. These have straight edges on them, so you can line them up with something. And then in the middle, it looks like you get some more florals. I think that's different than last month's, but I could be wrong. Then we have page 5, which is layering pieces. So you have some things that have been pre-layered kind of for you. Look at this window scene. So cute. And then what does it say on the chalkboard here? You know, I'm not sure I can read that actually, but it says something on the chalkboard. And then you have like foiled little flowers in there. You have another one with that flower truck. and little buckets of flowers, the wheelbarrow of flowers, with just little bits of foil added to them. This would be a great kit to add some butterflies to, because I'm a butterfly girl. And then we have paper strips here. So we have all these torn edges. I feel like this is slightly different, but maybe it's just me. I don't know. I'd have to pull out the other one to compare. But I love the little torn edges here. And I like the more organic shapes that she puts in here. We also have a couple of washi tape like strips. So lots of fun things to do there. Then you get your days of the week. You do get a whole month's worth, as well as little stickers down here for the dates. And you also get this month, this week. You also get a this month, 2 this weeks, 2 notes, and 2 to-dos, which is really nice. Then we get this page, which is page number 8, called Borders. So these would be kind of your strips that you might put at the bottom or at the top with a little bit of deco kind of in them. I feel like they should be in this direction, so probably the bottom. Really cute, kind of like washi strips, right? Then you get some really big scenes. These are beautiful. I mean, look at that. With the bike and everything. And then all the flowers here. These would be great for journaling pages or maybe a dashboard page. And then this one, we have little swatches. Yeah, it says box swatches here. And so they also have foiled elements on them, which is really cool. These two kind of have that sparkling bit. And then the rest of them have specific things. And then it's almost like a torn edge around them, which is really cool. And then our last one is just called swatches, which will be great for layering text and that kind of thing. Like if you're going to put your month or something on here, I think that would look really cute. And that is everything that came in my subscription this month. I'm really enjoying this. I know I haven't done a plan with me with them in a while, but that will be coming up so I can showcase these a little bit more because I want to play around with them some more. So anyhow, that's all I have for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like the subscription and if you get it. And until next time, I'll see you real soon.